Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Two vlogs have been bits and pieces and all over the place. It's probably gonna be like that today too. I told you guys I normally don't vlog when I am on vacation. I just take little sips and pics, trying to live in the moment. I have a almost 3-year-old, so I just wanna have fun. So yeah. We're going to Old Town later on tonight, but right now we're just gonna have a chill kind of ish morning until we head out because my daughter had a really long exciting day yesterday at Magic Kingdom, so just want to have a nice relaxing day. All right, so we ended up going to some gift shops. Honestly, the prices are still quite expensive, around the same prices as Walmart. It's like a good in between of Walmart and Disney Springs, but they weren't that much cheaper, to be honest. But here is the stuff. We ended up going to a flea market and they had a whole bunch of cute things. We didn't really buy anything. I think my mom bought a hat though. But my daughter was starting to get really fussy. Turns out she actually needed a nap, so she actually ended up falling asleep. My daughter actually doesn't normally nap, but I guess the vacation got to her and she needs naps. So we ended up stopping at Checkers that was right in front of Old Town. And me and my husband always stop here. We absolutely love it. So we got some Checkers and we ate that. And here I am carrying my munchkin since she was still out and kind of fussy. So I just let her sleep on top of me while we walked around Old Town and enjoy the scenery and the vibe. It's pretty chill. It wasn't packed at all, so we just kind of walked around. It does end up raining on us quite a bit, but that's okay. There was live music this day. I believe they have live music a couple times. But yeah, we just ended up walking around. They have like a fun spot and they do have rides. We actually paid for the merry-go-round and my daughter ended up not wanting to get on it, which is funny. After we paid for it, but she ended up not wanting to get on it, so we had to get our money back. And then it poured on us, which is great. My daughter actually loves when it rains. She always says muddy puddles and she wants to jump all over it and get wet. Here we are explaining it to her. No, not right now. We did get this picture drawn. Looks nothing like us. But we spent $40 on that, so there's that. And then we went ahead and my in-laws actually finally arrived and we went ahead and went to the more ride-ish side, which again is like the fun spot side, and they had a lot of rides. Not all of them were on again because it was raining. But it was empty and it was a pretty chill kind of relaxing evening. And then we had to get Wiggles out for my munchkin because she normally doesn't nap, and since she did, she needed to get some Wiggles out. And yeah, they were making her run back and forth. But yeah, this must be really like lit when honestly there's like a lot more people when you come with like a group of friends. But I guess no one in our group would go on these rides. Just not our vibe. But we very much enjoyed just walking and relaxing since it was pretty empty. Alrighty guys, as you guys saw, we are back now from Old Town. We love going there. It's just kind of like chill. There wasn't that many people. It did rain a little bit on us, but nothing too crazy. We had a lot of fun. My daughter liked it. She was kind of walking around. She did try to have a tantrum once, but she kind of stopped. Tomorrow is Hollywood Studios. I'm so excited and nervous. I always get nervous now because my daughter does something every time we've been going to a park. But I'm hopefully hoping that the drive there is smooth and the day goes nice and smooth with the baby and she has fun. I really hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this emoji down below if you're still here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.